Hi, today in front of me Oppo Pad Air, and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's just first open the Movie Search application and select one from these available tabs now. Here click to apply. If you want to change backgrounds, just swipe to the up or to the down to select the background, click apply. To change music control, to hide them after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them, swipe to the left or to the right side, slide this swipe dot. To change to turn on and turn off the calendar, to show the date, or turn it off, use the switcher, and battery status always while they were charging, or just to don't show it. So let's go back, click to the 6 icon, switch AD to the settings and tap to always on display. Here you will see a show on screen lock section the AD option always while they were charging. On music we can also here decrease or increase the brightness level, to turn on or turn off the screen timeout from 5 minutes, from 50 seconds, or to an hour for 5 seconds, to turn it off to use low power after 15 seconds, never, to change the screen orientation, but to close it with a double or single tap on screen off, to set the shadow to start and time, and to use it in bokeh mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display option on our Oppo Pad. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.